Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaskulba Martin Luther Christian University haka arfoi terek unailar arjar khat khandai kalapun kup Burom ya ki Samla Pule jongani kaskulba ki balapas hagi degree boper haka 12th Convocation kabalalong ha Windermere Resort lomhe ha umpling ya ki Samla Pule lapun kup Burom do ulat gajala utata gata Roy bat daga Mercy John kuntupru yau Dr. Johnny Omen ki balawan mikman naga Christian Hospital jonggajala Odisha. Hagani kejingalang pun kup Burom la sakhi langru da Vice Chancellor jong Martin Luther Christian University u Dr. Vincent T. Darlong bat kuntupru yau Registrar jong gani ke skulba u Dr. Reni Orson Lagadong bat u MLA ke Nong Thamai constituency u ba Charles Pungrop u bala syakhot ngoba kum u kongsan bekerpang.
The name Martin Luther brings to me the memory of history lessons that I learned many years back in my school. Great reformist of the Reformation in Europe, together with Calvin and John Knox. Now, the school that I went to was a Catholic school, and they were not very kind towards him. But at the same time, they couldn't but admit his greatness. But the fact that one of the greatest people ever born on this earth was born with and had his name, who has perpetuated his name even otherwise, is a testimony to the fact that he was a great man. I'm talking of Dr. Martin Luther King, of course, who had sacrificed his life in the emancipation of his race, which was very badly discriminated